Good morning, children. So, how was your Diwali? Hmm? Not nice, no? Because of Corona. We also didn't enjoy without you children, huh? Now, from today we are starting our lessons again. This is second sem, page number 42 and 43. I'll explain you. See, tenses, which are very important. Huh? When we want to talk of actions that have just happened in the immediate past or actions that began in the past are still continuing, we use the present perfect tense. Page 42. Huh? The present perfect tense is formed by using has or have plus past participle. We use the present perfect tense to talk about different kinds of actions. Now he has completed his homework. Actions that have just happened in the immediate past. Our family has lived in this house since 1996. That means we have been living here. Actions that began in the past and still continue. Still we are living in that house. I have seen this film. Actions whose time is not known, given or defined. She has not returned my books. Have or has not plus past participle for negative form of present perfect actions. Okay. Now here I filled all this for you. See, the artist has, artist is singular, so has, and made is the past participle. Make, made, made. The poster for the exhibition. They have eaten the whole pie. They, that means plural. So have plus eat, ate, eaten, eaten. Past participle. Then I have known them since I was a child. She has praised your work and your honesty. We have thrown the garbage in the dustbins. He has visited his ailing grandmother a number of times. Our teacher has corrected test papers. Some new games have arrived in the shop. He has read. Now this read, read, read. We write here read. This is verb. Past tense will be read only, but we have to speak. Pronunciation will be read. And past participle also read. Read, read, read. Okay? Spellings will be same. Then Latika has given her medical certificate to the nurse. Give, gave, given. Latika is a she. So, third person singular. The police has caught the bank robbers. The termites have damaged all the woodwork. Now page number 43. Rewrite the sentences after changing the tenses as directed. They are eating their supper. Now we have to change this to present perfect tense. So they have eaten their supper. The child has broken his toy. Present continues. The child is breaking his toy. Okay, the sun rises in the east. The sun is rising in the east. One minute, I'll take my pencil. Yeah. See. Yeah. Page number 43. Third one. The sun rises in the east. Now rises is the verb. The sun is rising in the east. The army is attacking the enemy camps. To present perfect tense. The army has attacked. Attacking will be changed to has attacked. India is exporting tea to many countries. Simple present tense. India is exporting to exports. Nitin collects old and rare coins. Nitin is collecting. From collects we have to change to is collecting. We are making up our minds. We have made up our minds. She has helped him in many ways. Has helped. So, simple present helps. The Inuit live in igloos. Live. The Inuit has lived in igloos. The tailor has teached, is teaching. Alright? What we are changing are marked for you. She is inventing a gadget to massage feet. So she from is inventing to has invented. You have behaved very badly. You are behaving very badly. Okay, page 43 over. So this chapter is over, children. Now you have to start copying down all the notes. I will be sending you the PDF in neat and clean handwriting. Anytime I'll ask for notebooks and I'll check them. And there will be tests after every 2 chapters. So start preparing, write your notes neatly, okay? Bye.